Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSASA hak arpo tarik no pra kalai khublei yak Sorkar MDA kabla ka jingmanjuri ka jingsiu tulap ka bathamai batna ka benta ka jingsngan jogi nonghikai SSA da ka bakhot ya ka rai kum ka jingjob kabla ap khmi lenti raslam ha ukurwo lingba ka video u president ka MSSASA uba Aristotle si rembai ula ong bakarai ka kinhun menteri balapan bana da menteri rang ba ka Jylla u Konrad ke sangma ha ka khat khanda trik no pra kalapan bai rinti ya ka jingdawa jo ki nonghikai SSA ka bana du usnam arjar khat rio ula ong bakan ka jingmanjur kalapan urlong ya ka jingang no jo ki nonghikai SSA ha ka leng ka Jylla hadin bun snam jo ka jingbom thikna uba Aristotle ulapun pa ko jingsngungu ya menteri rangba bat ka kinhun menteri jong u halor ka jingmanjur ya ka jingterwa balawan ra da katnat puli puthi kabakan thop halor ka jingpan bai renti ya ka rukam siu tulap ka bathamai shakino hikai SSA bat ka jingsngan ha ka kam ula ong bakan ka rai kala wanra ka jingsngu shngan na ka bentai ki hajar ngot kino hikai SSA ki bala shakri mentala bun snam kani ka jingpan pau na ka MSSASA kala wanlong hadin kate ka jingalang ka kinhun menteri ha ka ba menteri rang ba ulapan bana ya ka jingpan kala ka bakraw ha ka liang ka puli puthi ka kinhun menteri kala manjur halor ka jingpan bait rinti ya ka jingsiu tulap ka bathamai ka jingpan kiu ka ba manla usnam bat ka jingsngai na ka benta palat arpula hajar ngot kino hikai ad hoc bat SSA ha ka Jylla
on behalf of all the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya, we, the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, we take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude and appreciation to our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad K. Sangma for the historic and important announcement made by him yesterday pertaining to the long pending demand of the SSA teachers, which include the job security of all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya and for implementation of pay scale structure for SSA teachers. This demand we have demanded since 2016 onwards, and with the grace of the Almighty and with the open and great heart and positive thinking of Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad K. Sangma, yesterday the Cabinet have approved the proposal sent by the Education Department, and with the announcement made by the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad K. Sangma yesterday, the dreams of all the SSA teachers have turned into reality. So once again, we take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad K. Sangma for this historic announcement and for this important decision as far as SSA teachers issue is concerned. Secondly, we would like to place on record our sincere gratitude and appreciation to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sir Preston Tensong, our Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Rumbui, the then Education Minister Sir Rakam A. Sangma, and all the top officials of Education Department and each and every individual who were involved in this process to make the dreams of SSA teachers into reality. Once again, we thank all of them for their contribution, commitment, effort, support, and may God bless them in the future life and also their family members. Last but not the least, we would also like to take this opportunity to send a Christmas wishes to all our dear SSA teachers and also the happy Advent New Year. Thank you.
Habakran Shakilat Patai Kubor Hadin ka Jingalang, Umentri Rangba ula bataya ka ni ka rai kum ka jingpan kala ka bakrang, da ka bapan pau baka ni ka jingpan bay renti ya ka rukam siu tulop thamai, na ka benta ki nonghikai ad hoc pat SSA haringkat ka jingpan kiu tulop ka baman usnam, bat ka jingpan he tulop kat kum ka jing syakri islam hakakam, na luar ka jing no senyang sya ka contributory provident fund da ka sorkar bat ki nonghikai. Ula ong ru baka ni gajing siu tulop thamai kan sedang terekam na duk kasyitarik ya yong arjar pundrio. Ngala pendap ya kajing kular bala a syakino hikai, bat ha kini kilai benai ki benwan hadin usnam thamai. Yin sa pendap ya ki kam ban penterekam ya ka, kum ki rukom penyai beper ki badan kam. Bat ling ba kata kapor ngan sa pentip ya pi halur kajing ken ke babnya. Henry ha kini kajing ken la dap penyakren bat kino hikai SSA, kum ju bat kino hikai ad hoc. But day nakata ka jing manjor bar ka jing amir jing mut bar ki menta ngilala bermanra ya ka ni haga kinhun menteri kabala a ka jing manjor ya ka ula benram u president ka MSSASA ula bu ru ha ka record ban ai ka jinga ro ya sembut menteri rangba ka jela uba preston tensong u menteri katanat puli puthi barim urakam is sangma but u menteri katanat puli puthi ba menta uba la kemen rumbui lembat ki ofisar katanat puli puthi halor ka benta ka jongki ha ka baya day bat ka ni ka kam.
Cabinet has taken a very, very important and a very landmark decision and a major reform when it comes to the education sector. I am very happy to inform the people of the state and more importantly, the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers that the cabinet today has approved the proposal that was given by the education department to number one, create a structured pay for the ad hoc and the SSA teachers. Number two, to have a yearly increment program for them so that they don't get stuck at a particular salary. The salary also, the base salary has been also enhanced on the basis of seniority. So somebody who's been serving for 15 years, 20 years, compared to somebody who's serving only for 1 year, 2 years, were getting the same salary before. So we have created some scales and categorization in terms of the period of service and given a minimum increment for each one of them. And number three, most important, is that the job security is there for them. So today, when SSA teachers are there, we understand that there is some doubt in their mind about the future of their jobs. The ad hoc teachers also, they have some doubt about their jobs. And therefore, this particular move and decision of the cabinet will ensure that there is a job security for the SSA as well as the ad hoc teachers. And also we have put a provision where under the, there will be contribution to the CPF, which will be done both by the teachers and the governments to ensure that when they do retire, that there is some kind of a safety and security for them post-retirement also. This also, we have decided that this will be implemented in a form of a society, and there'll be a society that will manage all of this. So all of these factors have been proposed today, and these were the salient features of the proposal. We have the exact numbers and everything with us, but I will not share that with you today because we are going to implement this from the 1st of April 2026, as was promised by me about a month back, that we are going to conclude this before Christmas and we are going to implement it by the 1st of April. And I'm fulfilling that commitment made to our teachers. And in the next 3 months post the New Year's, we will work on exactly the mode of implementation, the different administrative procedures required. And through that period, I will then inform you about the detailed numbers. But these numbers have already been discussed with the SSA teachers, and with the ad hoc teachers. And it is with that approval and with the discussion with them that we have brought this to the cabinet, and today the cabinet has approved. There are certain small concerns that are being raised. We will be ironing those concerns out as we move along. But in principle, the broad structure today has been finalized, and as I said, it's a major reform, because you have to understand that this will lead to future reforms that are very much necessary in the education sector, and this will also lead to, as I said, a very structured pay in the future for the SSA and the ad hoc teachers, so that they don't have to be worried about their increments again. They don't have to be worried every 3 years, every 5 years of coming to the government, keep on demanding that they should be given higher salaries. So the incremental, the pay that they will be getting every year will take care of those concerns. And we are hopeful that with this major decision today that's been taken, as promised by us about a month back, as I said, will lead to a huge reformation in the education department, which I will share with you post New Year's, once we start the administrative procedure of implementing this particular decision that has been taken today. So I want to share this with all of you, and in a way, it's like a positive Christmas news for our teachers. This is something that the teachers have been demanding for a very long time. From the moment I joined and I took over as chief minister, even before that, for many years and decades, this has been a long pending demand of the SSA and the ad hoc teachers. And I'm happy that our MDA government today has taken this bold decision to take this forward and find a solution once and for all to this problem, which has been discussed in detail in multiple meetings with the teachers. I thank the teachers for their cooperation and for their patience. And I thank the education department, the minister and the commissioner secretary, and all the officials who have worked tirelessly to come to this point. And as I said, this will be a major game changer and a major decision that is going to reform the education sector in the days to come.